Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. This step prevents common failures. First, make sure the Samsung TV is powered on and on the correct input. Next, connect the TV and your phone to the same Wi-Fi network. Use 4 GHz if the TV struggles. On your phone, open Settings and enable Smart View or screen mirroring. Grant permissions when prompted. Once done, keep both devices awake and near the router so discovery happens quickly and reliably. You now initiate the actual connection from your phone. Open Smart View in Quick Settings or inside the Samsung app. The phone scans for available displays. When the TV name appears, tap it. Sometimes it takes 10 to 20 seconds. If a pairing code appears on the TV, enter it on your phone or confirm the code matches. This verifies the connection and prevents accidental pairing. Make sure to allow any permission requests for media or notifications, so mirroring works fully. You finish by confirming the screen and audio are mirrored correctly. Check the TV volume and app output if sound is missing. To end mirroring, open Smart View and disconnect or press the TV home button. If the connection fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart your router, the TV, and the phone in that order. This clears IP conflicts and stale discovery. If that still fails, use Wi-Fi direct pairing from the TV settings to bypass network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.